Stacker here. I'm back at this storage unit and I'm finding there is tons of books. Now watch this. That was a good one. That's right. So anyway, I'm finding that there's tons of books in here. So what we're going to do in this video segment, I'm going to take just this. There's some comic books that I found in here, like from the 80s. Dick Tracy, G.I. Joe, The Starriers, The Quest Begins, Captain America, Sergeant Rock, all these, and military books, a whole set, more of them, hardbacks, and we're just going to take, and another whole box of military books. So, I'm going to see, there's a lot of boxes of books back in here. And books are money, because I can turn these into cash. So what I'm going to do today is take these down there and sell them. And I'm going to tell you what I got just for this. And this is like 20% of them. Alright, so we'll have 5 times this amount of books. So, let's head over to Half Price Books and sell them. And I'll tell you what I get.
Alright guys, I'm going to take this trunk out of here today too, as I go to the bookstore. And we're going to go through this later and see what we can find in there. There's some interesting old dolls in there. I don't know what you got to put out, but we'll see.
Alright guys, I just got out of Half Price Books. Those 3 tubs, $50.53. So, that was like 20%. So, I'll have about $250 or so in books from that unit, so that's pretty good. But I gotta tell you what happened when I was getting gas. This dude was on the other side of the pumps, and he was he was pumping his gas, and I heard him. I'll try to clean this up a little bit, okay? But I have to tell this story. I'm here in the freaking driving. I hope I can do this because I lost it. He's over there and his pump wasn't working right, and he had his work truck. And he was pumping, but you know how when you get at the end of a tank again and then it starts going real slow? Well, his started out that way and stayed that way. He was like, this son of a blank, and then all of a sudden I heard a boom. He kicked the panel of the back panel of the truck. All right, come on, I'm pulling out on her spurt lane. Try not to kill myself. And and he kicked the quarter panel into a big dent into his work truck. It was a nice truck. It was a decent truck. And he still could, and I'm sitting over on the other side trying not, I was getting ready to lose it, but cracking up. And then the next thing you know, it kept going. So he pulled a knife on his truck. He pulled a knife. He said, if this motherfucker keep doing this, I'm gonna slash these damn tires. I was crying over here. I was just crying. I didn't want to say anything, but he had a freaking switchblade. He had a switchblade and he was threatening to slash the truck's tires. Because the pump was running slow. That's what I left, guys. I had to share that story because I don't think I've laughed that hard in a long time. But I don't know what's going to happen when he gets back to work. And he's got a big dent in the truck, and he threatened to slash. He might have slashed the tires. Sorry. All right, guys. I just wanted to tell you what my experience at the bookstore. I was there. Now, I will say on the negative side, I was there 40 minutes today, but I did find the guy in security to talk to while I was there. Real nice guy, and we just talked. So it kind of made the time go better. I had my coffee, but The guy up at the gas station. Wow. Pulled a knife on his truck. Can you picture the scene? All right. I'll see y'all in the next segment. Good Lord. Alrighty, guys. Let's see what's in here. This trunk. We got a small flag. Looks like a lot of keepsakes, but I don't know. There's something in here. It's a little nail file kit. Oh my God. The telephone number was 5064. That's an old thing. Brass pair of praying hands. That's old. That could be worth something. And uh-oh. There's some jewelry in here. Testerman's jewelry. Wait a minute. Okay, this has got somebody's name on the front of it. Is that gold? Second year. No, it doesn't look like gold. I'll test it anyway. I'm not really sure. And this one says third. Second year and third year. I'm not sure what this stuff is. SS. I can't even get it to focus on that. Oh. Let's see if we can get it. Come on, focus. Presbyterian S&S. Maryland, University of Maryland. I did get a Maryland license plate that I needed for my collection on the fence back there. Comb and curlers for Madame Alexander. Dolls. Speaking of dolls, guys. Comb and curlers. Okay. Doll accessories. I did look in here, and this... Alright. I thought this is a vintage heating pad box, so I thought that's what it was when I first looked. But does anybody know anything about is that a voodoo doll? And this right here, and then this feels like those, remember the Gumbies, you know, where you could bend it. It feels like the same material. Look at that. What about these? Does anybody have a clue? That's like a plastic head on that one. It's interesting. This one's got some weight to it. It's got that really old looking style face. I can't find any markings other than Industrial Specialties NYC on the holder here, what holds him up. And then we got this Western wear woman. But she probably is haunted here. I'm going to show you each one, I guess, as best I can. We got this guy right here. He's looking to the right like, oh crap. I gotta think they're fairly old. This one's even got like a golf club on it. Like a shoulder harness bag there. Yeah, I don't know what the heck's going on with this crazy looking thing. Then you got this woman here wearing like a, I don't know. Very interesting feel on the, it's not hard plastic, it's almost like rubber because it gives. Yeah, so that's what I got in those. Well, let's see this guy. It's like a pirate. It's a pirate with lipstick. This pirate wears lipstick. See that? Have you all ever seen a pirate wearing lipstick?
Johnny Depp.
Oh, okay, she said Johnny Depp wears lipstick. Okay, right now Thomas is helping me go through this. And Thomas found some interesting things. I know we showed you these, but these are really heavy metal horses. It says OP with a copyright. But these are heavy. And this one here is sort of heavy, and it looks to be made of brass or copper. And this one here is heavy, made of some kind of base metal, I guess. So we're finding these guys and these in this. So Thomas, did you find anything in there? What else? Oh, here we go. Is that another heavy? Oh, it's a set of horses. Oh, wait a minute. This is getting better, guys. No, it's not. Give me that. It's a metal horse here. And, uh-oh. Metal horse here. These are cool. Gosh, dang it. You could use a touch-up of paint, but man, they exist. So you can hear it. Metal. Look at that. We're going to have a whole stampede of horses here in a minute. Wait a minute. What do we got here? Oh! Oh my God! This is going to have some value. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, you put. All right. We got to figure out how to. Julie, look at this. I think this is one of those marionettes. This is a marionette, and you can control him with strings.
That's a marionette or a puppet.
That's kind of like that old show I used to watch, Fireball XL5. They use these.
I know that.
Hey, we're making a video here. Don't be smart ass. Look at that, guys. All right, we got a marionette. Oh, you can control its mouth. I think that's got a little bit of value, guys. And we haven't given up yet. That's right. So there's more dolls down here. Okay. I'm not sure if there's any significance to that one. That's got the old voodoo look to it. I want some more of those metal horses. That's what I'm looking for. Wait a minute. I haven't given up yet, folks. Oh. Here's a metal saddle. Oh, it doesn't go on that horse. So there might be another horse in here. Another doll. A little train. Pair of shoes. Somebody carved their own. Oh, that's just creepy. That's kind of creepy. That is creepy. Do 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 do. Somebody's Boy Scout. I had one look like that. There's something in the pocket. I guess let's look and see what's in this Boy Scout pocket. Oh, that's the thing that holds that goofy thing. Yeah, these are not made of anything like gold, but still, it exists. Alright. Old Boy Scout stuff isn't hot these days, but hey, it exists, alright? There's an old hat, an old Boy Scout hat. Uh-oh. Uh-oh! I found the leg. Oh yes, I found the leg. Alright guys, I found the piece to fix this. I got it set up with some perfectly good wood glue. I pre-drilled 2 holes, ran nails in it. Now I've got a clamp. 24 hours later, that'll be as strong as the rest. And I've got a caster for it. So, that makes this trunk very sellable. It's got the paper that was laid down in 1950 in it, which I'm going to leave in it. And we can get $80 for it. How about them apples? There's the undercarriage. You can see the way it was built. They don't build them like that anymore. So, there it is. There's the leg. We got it. We got the leg. And we can fix this thing. Okay, that was good news. This is getting better, guys. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this thing is wasted. You want to see creepy? That is really creepy. That is so creepy. I bet you these are haunted. Uh-oh, horse. This is a glass horse, though. I need to find the horse that takes that saddle. Okay. We're going to keep finding these. Alright. What's the date of the paper that's in there? Oh, the paper on the bottom of this, Julie, was 1950. May 10th, 1950. It says Red Sox down, Tigers 6-1, a tie for league lead. That's pretty interesting. I wasn't even born yet. Wow. No telling where I was then. And Audie and the Star. So anyway, you get the gist. I did this when I was a kid. We would take these metal things like this and loop it all the way across and all the way through and make potholders out of it. That's what that is. Wait a minute. What else we got here? Okay. Wow. It's got the tag on it. Louisa May Alcott, Little Women. Oh. Okay. Little Women. Oh, look at. You want to see weird? She says, "Look at me! Look at me! That's right! Look at me! I am going to... Well, I think we've come to the bottom. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Raggedy Ann. I found Raggedy Ann. The original. This is creepy. It's Ann. Ragging again. She's ragging. Raggedy. What do you think, Raggedy? Tell me, Raggedy, how much are you worth? Zip. No, I'll tell you what, she's worth $5. She needs some pants repaired. That is one of those, that could be one of those Adam and Eve kind of pants they got back in the day when Adam and Eve first started selling adult pants. Shut up, Mark. Yeah, there's our old rags there. What we got going on here? Ooh, this is a FisherPrice toy made in Mexico. I think he put... Oh, that's weird, isn't it? Wait a minute. That's a rabbit. Okay, we've seen enough.